Alalayang Aguila. Can I read my full resolution? 2 minutes lang naman to, Mr. Chair, if I.
Okay, you can read here.
Requesting donation for member hospitalization and burial, resolution number NCR 1-001. Whereas the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated under NCR 1 recognize the needs of fraternal or financial support for every Eagle member during hospitalization and burial. And whereas the support of the entire organization, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, is essential for the successful implementation of this initiative. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated under NCR 1 hereby request the donation of 1 peso, I repeat, 1 peso, from every member of the entire organization of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated for hospitalization, and 1 peso from every member of the entire organization of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated for burial, to support every Eagle member during the challenging period. The donation will be given to every member during the hospitalization upon requesting for the hospitalization support by providing valid documents showing the present situation of the said member, as well as the burial support. In this case, the club president is required to collect and remit the club donation to the regional governor, and the regional governor will forward the fund of to the national office for the benefit of the requesting party. This donation will greatly augment the welfare of our group, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, as we aim to help our fellow men. It would be better if there will be no bother that was left behind during the tough situation. Resolve further that copies of this resolution be furnished to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated for their consideration and action. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you so much, Kuya. Okay, that resolution will be forwarded for the Alalayang Aguila for further study, Kuya. Kasi that will be in entire the whole organization